Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a mini ZOA and Friends haul. So I bought a few things from Korea as well as different websites, and I realized I did a small collection of ZOA, and ZOA is really just Gdragon's brand, and he has a number of merchandise, and I will be doing a small haul for you guys today. So and a unboxing, unwrapping of some of the stuff I've recently purchased from GD's line. So first, let's start with this, which I got back in Seoul 3 weeks ago. This is, when I saw this at Olive Young, I was like, oh, this is so cute. Even though I have like a ton of sunscreen, which is like the #1 thing that I think is the most important on our faces, especially when we go out and in the summer. So when I saw this, I was like, really cute. So let's open her up. Oh, I think. Okay, so it says this is the Aquatica cooling sunscreen, and I tried her on at Olive Young, and it was like a cooling sensation on the skin, so I thought this would be nice, especially if it's like super hot. And it comes with a 1+1, a free cell fusion. I have no idea what this is actually, so let's take a look. I think it's a freebie. Okay, so this is the Aquatica Cooling Sunscreen, SPF 50 plus PA 4 pluses. That's the usual go-to for me, like the highest rating of sunscreen. And this is how she looks. And I'll let you know if I feel like a cooling sensation. And then it also comes with, oh, so it's actually 1+1 means that it gives you 2 of these. That's good to know. And I think this is the freebie. Oh, it's basically a keychain. So pretty. Every weather, my happy weather. It's been raining non-stop in Hong Kong, like every day. It's like amber to red rain and black rain. So it's been pretty insane. But we still need SPF. Oh, this is so cute. I can use that as a bag charm. Let's see. Super cute. It says ZOA. And I really like this. I didn't expect this keychain. So now I feel like I got a good deal. I think I'm going to share one of these. So some of the stuff I purposely bought too, so I could share it with my friends. And this is the first thing. Then from Olive Young, I also found these fragrance package or fragrance scent packets. I think I will give one away, but I really wanted to smell how these are. So let's open one of them. And you can put them near your clothing or in your drawers to make the room and your clothes smell nice. I can already smell it. I can't exactly explain the scent to you right now, but it's really nice. So that I'll leave out here. And then we have some twillies or like small scarves. Let's open this one. We can basically put these or wrap these around our handbag handles. And it says ZO&Friends Gdragon. So this one I got is, one side is white and the other side is more, well, not white, like white and black, but you see more of the daisies. And then the other side is this black with ZOA. Super cute. And I think if you tie it around like a handbag, you can have both the black and white effect, like this. Super cute. And then this one is, I think it's just all this white daisy one I wanted. So I had a variety. The ones I can use if I wanted to put this on a pink bag or just something summery. Even this one. I have my Takashi Murakami bag charms on that new summer bag that I just DIY'd or customized. So I put the LV Takashi Murakami cosmetic pouch in the GM size inside, and I found that that's actually like a better look for me because I'm afraid that the white multicolor would turn yellow easily. So I thought putting it into a mesh bag where you can still see that it's the Murakami is a nice style. And I added this chain. Okay, but anyway, focus back on ZO&Friends. So this would be my white daisy and ZOA twilly. On this side, it's like this. Super cute. Okay, and then I basically cut these as like toiletry pouches for when I travel, and I thought it'd be cool because these are clear, and when I put my skincare I could see what I have. So these are great to use during travel. There's actually two. And I got two designs. This one has two of ZOA, one sitting down, and then this design is that. So very cute. And last but not least, I have one item from this piece minus one, which is just GD's brand. And this is the most expensive of everything. It's the ZO&Friends bag charm. I think this was one of the merchandise that you can buy from GD's concert. Actually, I'm not even sure, 100% sure. But it's a smaller size plushie, and I thought that like I prefer smaller size plushies as bag charm nowadays. So this is ZOA, super cute. Look at ZOA. Okay, so cute. So there's this daisy. Oh, it's like a little backpack behind ZOA, and you can put things in the back. Very cute. Okay, so this is my mini haul for today, and I hope everyone enjoyed my mini haul from GD's brand ZOA, and I think it's just ZO&Friends. And if you enjoyed these type of videos and haven't subscribed already, please do so. And I promise my next video is going to be about my giveaway, and I've decided to make it into 2 giveaways, and it's really small, but I just wanted to give back. And I'm thinking that I will probably post it here as well as on my Instagram. So if you haven't subscribed to my Instagram, you can go there. I'll put it on the screen, my IG handle, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Strawberry skies. Butterflies inside. Monday morning like a 1, 2, 3. Saw you laughing, didn't notice me. Your blue sweater, messy golden hair. I just froze, I forgot how to breathe. Math class doodles hearts on my page. Wrote your name in a secret code language. Every glance feels like a sweet escape. Hope this daydream never fades away. Is it magic? Maybe it's true. When you smile, my whole world turns pink and blue. Strawberry skies, candy high, heartbeats wild when you pass by. Wish I could say, hey, it's you I adore, but I'm just a girl you ignore. Strawberry skies, wonder why, falling hard like fireflies. One day you'll see this love I can hide, and dance with me in the neon light. Lunchroom chaos, you're with the crowd. I sip my soda, trying to act proud. Whisper jokes with my bestie Soup, go talk to him. I just can't move. Playlist songs on repeat all night. Imagine slow dancing, holding you tight. Your Insta stories, I'm the first to view. This silly crush feels brand new. Is it magic? Maybe it's true. When you smile, my whole world turns pink and blue. Strawberry skies, candy high, heartbeats wild when you pass by. Wish I could say, hey, it's you I adore, but I'm just a girl you ignore. Strawberry skies, wonder why, falling hard like firefly. One day you'll see this love I can hide, and dance with me in the neon light. Whoa, will this ever be real? Whoa, butterflies I can't conceal. Just one look, could you feel what I feel?